mga nagtatanong sa inyo kung nasan yung daddy ng mga bata, kung babalik pa ba siya sa Pilipinas. Nagtatanong pa kung kami pa ba. Dali na. So handsome.
So pretty.
Mommy.
Mommy's so pretty.
Thank you.
So
I think the timing is just perfect. Get your green shoes, please. You need my help your hairbrush. Need a hair tie ba?
The answer is there's no burgers. Kiss, kiss.
Okay, remove the seatbelt now. We're here now.
Kiss, kiss. My mommy. Yeah. Eden.
Oh, sige na.
My mommy. What?
Love you. Put your bag na. Put on your bag. Put on your bag.
Everybody is in school.
Are you excited to go? Time is
You need to sit down with in behind heavens.
You're gonna sit down behind him. And you find your name in your... Bye, love you.
Bye.
Have fun.
Hi, mommy.
Bye, baby. Have fun, Aiden. Lily, love you. Bye. Nagpo-freak out na siya doon. Hello, good morning. Hindi pa ako nakaayos. Ganito lang muna yung tali ko sa buhok kasi I'm planning on drying it and then i-style. But I don't really have time dahil wala pang lunch si Lily. So I'll be picking up Aiden in a bit. Ito yung minarinate kong sukiyaki beef. Gagawin natin siyang biscuit Tagalog. Time check, it's now 9:52. Paalis na ako. But mag-makeup lang ako saglit. And I wanna answer these questions that you guys have been asking me for quite some time now. So the first question that a lot of you have been asking is kung nasaan na yung daddy ng kids. So Philip now is in Kuwait. Doon na siya nagtatrabaho ngayon. He found a job there. And yung work niya doon is sa safety pa rin, pero hindi kagaya nung work niya before na parang 1 month sa trabaho, 1 month off. Hindi ganon. Kaya hindi siya masyado nakakabisita. Yung bakasyon niya, parang kagaya ng bakasyon ng ating mga kababayang OFW. 30 days na off in a year. Tapos, yun na yun. Ganon na siya. So, he's been gone since May 13 last year. So, mga 1 year and 2 months. So, magka 3 months na. 1 year and 3 months na almost. And, ang tagal na niyang, I think this is the longest time na he's been gone. And to be honest with you, it's not been easy for him or for, for everyone in that matter, for the whole family. It's been rough para sa amin lahat. And alam ko na may mga mas matatagal pa nga dyan ng mga OFW, but hindi lang pa kami, I guess, sanay, hindi lang din yun siya sanay. So, ilang beses yan siya na halos nag-breakdown dahil uwi na siya, miss na daw niya yung kanyang mga anak. But he's doing well naman. He is working, super busy lang nun sa trabaho, but he is well. Sa school, just waiting para sa dismissal nila ni Aiden. Second question that most of you guys ask is if babalik pa ng Pilipinas yung daddy nila. Yes, he is. Actually, nakabook na siya ng flights. So, we'll be seeing him sa vlog natin next week. You guys will see him with the kids. I'm so excited about that kasi si Aiden madaldal na, mahilig na makipaglaro, talaga may social skills na siya kahit papano. And so super duper excited ako makita yon on how he will be and how he is with with his dad. And really also kasi it's been a year and few months na, so malaki na si Lily, 1 taong mahigit na. So yung last time na nagkita sila, she's different compared to now. So, naisip ko parang naiiyak na ako na kung ako yun. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Baka umiyak ako pag nakita ko si Lily na mas malaki na since the last time I saw her. So, nasasad ako. And I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to see them. Teka. Lalabasan na ata. Kumakaway na yung parents. Ay, nagkakawayan na sila. Eh, wait lang po. Wait lang po si mommy. You wanna go home?
Yes.
Okay, ang message na ng teacher. So, antay-antay na lang ako kasi suspend na daw ng klase.
Mommy,
pero ang hindi pa nag-suspend yung Lasal, ang Zobel. So, we're waiting for an announcement from Zobel and then at least andito na ako to pick up Lily. Kasi kesa babalik-balik pa tayo. Wait lang, anak.
Can I go to the sea?
Teacher Shane, alam niya Teacher Billy today eh.
Teacher Billy.
You wanna go to Teacher Billy? Oh, wait lang. Antay lang natin yung announcement. Kasi mamaya mahaba yan.
And eat breakfast and go to Teacher Billy.
Ayan, confirmed. 11 o'clock daw bababa yung kids. So, time check na. 10:30. So, magantay na lang kami dito ng 30 minutes instead na uwi pa. Tapos, babalik din. Dahil mamaya yan, sigurado mahaba yung pila. Dahil sabay-sabay yung labasan. So, at least ito maganda yung park natin. Diba? Naka-parking tayo. Ito pa naman yung lunch ni Lily. Excited pa naman ako pag open yung mommy, yummy. Diba? May excited siya sa ulam. Come here. Do you wanna eat lunch na lang?
Apple.
Come here. Ikaw na lang kumain ito.
And dinosaurs.
Apo, ikaw na lang muna kumain.
Eagles and dinosaurs. Mommy, last one.
Opo. Dali na.
I need some water.
Eat ka muna. I'll get your water. Kasi you have to go see Teacher Billy, right? So you have to eat. Mm. Kasi kahit walang pasok guys, in therapy, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Aiden, ooh, are you hot? How about you sit here? How about you sit here?
I need some water.
I get your water from your bag. Eat ka muna. Sarap kaya. I-refill ko na lang pag uwi namin. Para, did you eat your egg? Here. May sibuyas yung bistek ko, pero yung itong pinabaon ko kay
Bye,
Lily,
kuya.
hindi ko nalagyan ng sibuyas. Ayun parang favorite ko sa bistek
Bye,
Tagalog.
kuya. Bye, kuya. I'm just gonna turn off this fan.
Want me to turn on the fan?
Yeah.
Here. Open that one. There. Open. There. Oh. There. Don't shut. You found your jacket. Are you happy? We'll stamp your name on it later.
Yeah, we have to.
We have to, yeah.
Or maybe write there my name.
Is it okay if you eat in the car?
Eat in the car.
Lunch, yeah?
Bye, teacher.
I'll just refill your lunch box. So, and then we can drive down. Because Aiden got therapy with Teacher Billy. Where are we? Therapy! Dito kami sa ABA. That's, yung teacher ni Aiden. Si Aiden lang yung umattend today. Mga nag-cancel kasi nag-suspend nga ng klase, di ba, half day. So, mga nag-cancel din ng sessions. But, I really think this is very important for Aiden. Kaya, hindi po pwede. Hindi po pwede mag-cancel. So, ayan. Dito kami ni Lily. Dito na siya actually nag-lunch. Nag-lunch siya sa sasakyan. But, hindi natapos. And then, dito na ko siya pinatapos kumain. And nagchichikahan lang kaming dalawa about her understanding about autism, if she still know what it means. What does it mean on your understanding?
Autistic people are different, their brain is different, but that doesn't mean they're not like us.
Yeah. Sometimes they might not answer us, but that doesn't mean that they cannot hear us.
Yeah. Like in the story, when Big Bird was talking to Julia, the autistic character, she was painting. She was listening, but she was not looking. And then Big Bird was thinking that she didn't want to hear him. But the truth is, she was actually listening to what he was speaking.
Yeah.
He's like, okay, Julia.
Yeah, there's just a lot of things maybe in thinking about that it's their I don't know, they just think different. But they're not less, just different. Right. Looks so cute in your jacket, love. And when your hair is up, I
Kiss
love it when your
mark.
hair is up. Huh?
Is that a kiss mark?
No.
Are you sure?
No, I got no lipstick. Cute jacket, I like it.
Yeah, this is my favorite. It's big and it has a hood, and you can make it tighter for pulling this. Big pockets.
may mga assignment yan siya na gagawin or task na gagawin sa bahay. Kaya lang ayoko ipagawa dito kasi mabagal yung internet ko. So, baka mamaya yung imbis na ma-send niya yung may quiz kasi sila sa or reviewer sila sa science. Mamaya mag-send siya ng ng sagot tapos or may mapindot siya biglang mag-stop working tapos malagay na yung points niya is ganito lang, ganyan. So, kailangan doon tayo sa bahay para mabilis yung internet. You're so tall. What happened to your pants?
Yep, it's a little bit. It's a little bit big, but I can outgrow.
No, it's not too big.
Yeah, no.
It's a good size. Are you excited to see your daddy na?
And actually,
Yeah.
all this time I was actually counting the days.
What date is daddy coming back?
I don't know what date this is, but I think that he's coming home in 6 days.
I'll check later.
And he's staying there for 2 weeks, here for 2 weeks.
I don't know, maybe. We'll check.
2 weeks, that's not enough. I want like 1 month, like before. 1 month at home. 1 month at home. 1 month at home. 1 month.
Yeah, that's
All
better.
over and all over again.
Oh, you have to tell him that.
Oh yeah,
Mhm.
I will tell him that when you call him.
So pretty lang. So smart. Nakita ko yung quiz mo. Your quiz is good in science ba yan?
Yeah.
It was 10 out of 10.
And I saw.
I'm gonna do my hair later.
outside, but
We're home na mga mi. Thank you, ate. Sit down here with mom. Look, you wanna see something? It's mommy and daddy.
Lily and Aiden is at school.
You're Aiden. Something that I need to talk to their ates. They call Aiden Aiden. Nalilito tuloy siya. Hey! That's not ew! Ew daw. Nag-kiss yung mommy at daddy niya dyan. Ew daw. Titingin ako ng videos na pwede ko i-post kasi magka 10-year anniversary. Ew daw. Ayan. Ew ba yun? Hey! What's disgusting? It's not disgusting. Mwah. It's not disgusting. Mommy and daddy kissing is disgusting. That's not disgusting. Hindi kasi siya sanay na nakikita mommy daddy na nagkikiss. Disgusting daw. Batang ko. Good afternoon. Time for kumon. Excuse my hair. I'm gonna do my hair later. Naya ko lang siya matuyo.
Pets.
What's up, pets? So, hindi sila nakagawa ng worksheet kahapon. So, we'll be doing 2 today. Okay, then 4. Kasi he does 2 activities a day. Okay, first.
I want pets.
So, I always start with yung sa lines muna.
Time for kumon.
Bago siya mag-counting. Time for kumon. This one, how many? How many? 18. Good job. This one. Ay, mix natin siya. Kasi magkasunod ang number yun, diba? Ito. How many? How many? 20! Ito, this one. Anak, this one. How many?
Like,
19. Good job, love.
how about this one?
You wanna check? Oh, that doesn't have numbers.
You're my better half, a part of me.